Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Stay organized and eat healthy with these premium glass meal prep containers. Designed with airtight, leak-proof lids, they keep your meals fresh and prevent spills whether you're at home, work, or on the go. Made from durable, high-quality glass, these containers are safe for use in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, making meal prep and cleanup effortless. Perfect for portion control, storing leftovers, or preparing meals in advance, they help you save time and reduce food waste. Upgrade your kitchen storage today and enjoy a cleaner, smarter way to organize your food. Check the link below to get yours now. Transform your coffee station with the Maker Countertop Organizer, the ultimate storage solution for coffee lovers. This sleek and durable K-Cup pod drawer can hold up to 60 coffee capsules, keeping your favorite flavors neatly arranged and within easy reach. Its integrated, no-assembly design ensures a clean and modern look that fits perfectly on any countertop. The smooth sliding storage pod baskets make it effortless to access your pods, while the sturdy pod stands help you organize your space efficiently. It even includes silicone drink coasters to protect your surfaces from heat and spills, adding both function and style to your coffee setup. Whether you're a casual drinker or a coffee enthusiast, this all-in-one organizer helps you save space, maintain order, and enjoy a clutter-free brewing experience every morning. Click the link below to get yours today and elevate your coffee corner with convenience and elegance. Keep your kitchen or fridge neat and organized with this water bottle organizer for cabinet. Designed to fit most bottles, it can hold up to 6 at a time, keeping them securely in place and easy to access. The stackable design lets you maximize your storage space, whether on the countertop, in the pantry, or inside the fridge. Made from durable, high-quality plastic, it's sturdy, easy to clean, and built for everyday use. Say goodbye to cluttered shelves and rolling bottles. This organizer is the perfect solution for a clean, efficient, and organized kitchen. Check the link below to get yours today. Make meal prep faster and easier with the Grip Salad Spinner. This all-in-one lettuce and fruit washer quickly cleans and dries your produce with a simple spin. The built-in strainer and bowl make washing, draining, and serving effortless, while the durable design ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for salads, fruits, and vegetables, it keeps your food fresh and ready to serve. Check the link below to get yours now. Simplify your meal prep with this innovative chicken shredder. Designed with a visible grinder-style body, it allows you to watch the shredding process in real time while keeping your hands safe. The strong anti-slip strip ensures stability, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for effortless 360-degree shredding. Made from durable BPA-free materials, it's perfect for shredding chicken, beef, pork, and more in seconds. Easy to use and clean, it's a must-have kitchen gadget for quick, healthy meals. Check the link below to get yours today and make cooking more convenient. Introducing the Tupperware Heritage Collection. 36-piece set, a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Designed with instant seal lids, these containers keep your food fresh while preventing spills. Made from sturdy, high-quality material, they ensure long-lasting durability for everyday use. Plus, their nestable and stackable design saves space, keeping your kitchen organized effortlessly. Upgrade your storage game with Tupperware's trusted excellence. Introducing the Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer, a versatile solution for a clutter-free home. Perfect as a utensil holder, office organizer, or garage toolkit holder, it adapts to your needs. With expandable sides, it fits various drawer sizes while keeping everything neatly in place. Stay organized with this stylish and durable bamboo organizer. Introducing the mixing bowls with airtight lids, the perfect kitchen essential for every home. Crafted with a stainless steel mirror interior and an anti-slip silicone bottom, these bowls offer durability and stability while mixing. The comfortable grip ensures easy handling, while the splash-proof construction and secure seal lids keep ingredients fresh. Plus, the removable center on the lid allows for mess-free pouring or adding ingredients effortlessly. Available in varied sizes, they cater to all your cooking and baking needs. Introducing the Pots and Pans Organizer, a simple and efficient way to keep your kitchen tidy. Designed for quick setup with tool-free assembly, it fits perfectly on shelves, countertops, drawers, or cabinets. Keep your cookware organized and easily accessible with this sturdy and space-saving solution. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.